materials, there were fragments of human bones scattered about, unrelated to each other. And that is evidence for what the lead archaeologist believes to be a form of ritual cannibalism.
Welcome to Guanajuato.
Welcome to Guanajuato.
Welcome, Guanajuato.
Welcome to San Miguel de Allende! Yippee!
Why would you have your clients experience the Day of the Dead? Because it is probably one of the most important celebrations in the country. Day of the Dead has a pre-Columbian tradition which dates back to, well, centuries ago, and it is all based in the conception of having the souls of all these people who have passed away traveling to what we call the afterlife. So only once a year they have the chance to come back to visit their families, and that's why all these people prepare the shrines, the altars, to honor their memories.